Hello, my name is Jamar Williams, and I am the founder and CEO of PromoDrone. I've been building PromoDrone since the inception as a way to connect with people from an aerial perspective. I'm a certified drone operator. I've been flying drones for the better part of 10 years. And part of my understanding of drones at the early stage was that people had no idea what drones were or what they were used for. Well, since then, a lot has changed and a lot of people have adopted drones. But one of the most exciting things about it is the amount of attention that the drones get. So I set out to create something that would capture the attention of the people looking at the drones and use it to leverage that attention for advertising, marketing, as well as public safety information. So at PromoDrone, what we've done is we've created a dynamic display LED drone messaging, essentially a flying digital billboard. If you've been to Las Vegas, if you've been to New York Times Square, you've seen big billboards and you've seen them bedazzle people every time that they look at them. What we've done is taken that same captivating experience, shrunk it down, put it on a drone, and made it hyper-targeted, hyper-mobile, and accessible for communities all throughout the world. This year is super exciting. We currently have our prototype, the Starlink X.2, out in the market being demoed for customers across a wide variety of industries. Our goal is to commercialize the product and go to scale and convert our over $4 million worth of customer opportunities into real-world transactions. We currently have opportunities with the city of San Diego for servicing contracts, as well as continuing to expand our revenue opportunities in addition to training, maintenance, and it's even artificial intelligence. We have an investment for our AI development from Google, which gives our customers the insights and analytics available to best understand how these drones are being used across the advertising segment. Not only does that make us a commander in the hardware sector, but really becoming more of a data company at our core as we grow and evolve over time. We're community driven and we're also very easy to find. If you want to learn more about PromoDrone, simply go to our website at www.promo-drone.co, or you can follow PromoDrone on Instagram at promo.drone. Would love to hear from you. Entrepreneurs, if you're interested in exploring your startup journey here at UC San Diego, simply go to innovation.ucsd.edu.